So now let's look at how we can work with the character's clothing. So to do that, I'm just going to go over here on to clothing tab right over here. And here you can see that there's different tops that you can choose from. And one of the easy things right here is that whatever cloth there is, it'll adjust to the body that is being selected right over here. So now I'm just going to go around and let's say I'm going to choose this dress shirt tucked right over here. So if I were to click it, what happens is that now you can see that the dress is on the character just like that. You can see that it's not perfect right over here on the bottom, but you can actually adjust that out. So you can go over here on to modify geometry directly section right over here and then select the cloth. As you can see right over here, I can pull the cloth out right over here and adjust that out right over here. Let's say, for example, let's just go out and I can do the minor adjustment to correct these kind of errors, as you can see right over here. So I can just pull this out right over here, just like that. I don't want to pull out that, so just go around onto the side. You can see that I can just pull this out and arrange that out right over there. Just like that, I can just pull it out and there you go. So now you can see that the error is not there anymore. I can also adjust the cloth out right over here, change the out color maybe right over here and adjust it out according to what I like, just like that. So now over here, you can also work around with the modifier size and everything else, of course, right over here, so that you can adjust the cloth out just like that. So you can see that you can just add in the cloth and then modify them out right over here. If you don't like the cloth, then you can simply replace it with other cloth of your choice. Let's say, for example, you want something like this one. So just click on that and that has been replaced, as you can see. And just like any other clothing, you can just go over here and adjust that out, as you can see right over here. So you got a very detailed level of editing, as you can see right over there. If you want to manage out the body parts, that is customize the body parts, you can simply go back to customize right over here and then work around with the arms and everything else. So I'm just going to go around to clothing and I'm going to choose something like a full clothing right over here. So you can see that the cloth fits onto the character. If I were to go to customize and let's say, for example, I want to change out the arms, you can see that the cloth doesn't adjust, but as soon as I let go, you can see that the cloth readjusts itself right over there. So you can go around and the cloth readjusts right over here. So you want to change out the shoulder right over here, just like that. And you can see that the clothing readjusts right over here. You can change out the wrist right over here. The clothing readjusts just like that. So, and over here, what you can also do is let's say, for example, you want to make the clothing transparent so that you can see how the body adjustment is working. You can go over here onto the customize section and here it says show clothing. So if I were to disable this out, you can see that I can see through the cloth, but I can still see the clothing section. So I can simply adjust this out and then work around with the body. And then if I want to work with the clothing now, I can go over here and show the clothing. If I want to delete the clothing, simply select on the clothes that you want to delete and press the delete key and there you go. Then you can go to the clothing and choose anything else that you want to add. Let's say, for example, if you want to add in this one, simply select that and that is done. So you can want to go for dress right over here, then you can select that and so forth. That has been applied. So just like that, you can work around with the tops quite easily and adjust it according to your needs inside of Adobe Fuse. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.